Hi all, before getting into the topic, if you have not seen my video on electric charge, please do watch it because that is the basic for this topic. I have a question with me. Why does the bulb glow immediately after the switch is on? That means in an electric circuit, if there is a power supply where we have a conductor, switch and a bulb. So when the switch is on, why does the bulb glow immediately? Okay. So to understand the reason behind this, let us know what is present inside a conductor. See, I have a wire which is insulated. So as we know, as I told you before, an insulated wire, inside we have copper wire. So inside the copper wire, we have copper atoms. Why we have chosen only copper wire is because of its high ductile strength. That means to make thin wires it is very easy, and at high temperatures also it is stable, and it has free electrons like all the other metals, and it is cheap when compared to silver. These are the advantages why we have chosen this copper wire as a conductor. Now if we have an electric circuit where we have a conductor, which is a wire, and a bulb and a switch. So what happens without a battery? So if there is no battery, will the bulb glow? No. So we are not getting any electric shock if we simply touch the copper wire without current. Why? So without current, actually what is happening inside a conductor? So if you take a cross section of the conductor or a piece of conductor and observe what is happening inside the conductor, the electrons will, if we have a pipe like this, hollow pipe, water will move easily in a hollow pipe, but copper wire is a solid. So for the movement of the electrons, so this atoms will be there and it should move through the spaces. So it's very slow. So without the current, what happens is it will move randomly without any direction. So without direction, no velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. It should have some direction. So the electrons are free now. They are going here and there, touching the pipe ends of the pipe. For example, if this is a conductor, not hollow like this, atoms will be there because it is solid. So they will randomly touch the pipe, come back. So this will be going on in the copper wire. So we don't have any current or any shock when we touch that copper wire without the current source. Okay. Now if we take a battery and if the switch is on, if we connect in the circuit a battery, sorry, what happens is the electrons will start moving in one particular direction, just like how soldiers move, right? They do march pasting, how they move, they strictly go in one direction in the presence of electric current. So what is responsible for this? The energy present inside the battery or the power source which we are supplying will push the electrons, give the energy, that is chemical source which is present in the battery. Chemical energy will be provided to the electrons to move in one particular direction. Now the drift velocity or the velocity of an electron can be calculated. It is below 1 millimeter per second. If you know the velocity is very less, then how when the switch is on, immediately the bulb glows? One hidden secret in that is, the answer for this question is, maybe some of you know, it is electric field. Okay, so as the switch is on, immediately, instantaneously the electric field will come into picture, which will be absent in the absence of power source or the current, due to which the bulb will glow. I hope you understood about the electric current, the concept. Now coming to the formula, it's very simple. I is equal to Q by T. That means if you take a cross section of the conductor and what is the current flow, how to calculate is charges are flowing in the conductor. So Q is the electric charge per time. That is, if 1 coulomb of charge flows in a cross section of conductor per 1 second, then the current is said to be 1 ampere. Okay, this way we measure the current, because without measuring the current, how will we get that numerical values and how will we apply it further? So this should be noted down. SI unit of current is ampere. Electric current is measured in amperes. So what is electric current? It is flow of charges. Okay, electric current is nothing but flow of electric charges. I hope you understood the concept clearly. If not, please do comment in the comment section. Any doubts, I will answer. Thank you.